Vice principals are teachers, senior, junior, and my dear friend. It's me, Asnema, class 9B. Today I will thought speech about life without internet. Life without internet would be slow and simple. Although it would be challenging, it would also help people to become more active and connected to real life. Without internet, entertainment would be limited and also communication would be also slow. Without internet, people people start writing later. Without internet, students focus on study and improve their handwriting. Thank you.
Patience is not a sign of weakness but a sign of true strength, which helps us be calm and positive. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, juniors, seniors, and all of my dear friends. I am Opsan Megalimu from grade 9, section B. Today I am going to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of being mentally strong. Being mentally strong is not about acting tough. It is the ability to control your thoughts, and manage your emotion. While physical strength put you on the road, it is a mental strength who keep us moving even after the road get tough. Ultimately, a strong mind is a foundation of happy life. It give you the discipline to chase your dream and set boundaries. Remember, your potential is only limited by your mindset. If you master your mind, you will master your life. Thank you.
The hand that heals everything and that brave heart that endures. Thank you to Ananta for giving me this golden opportunity to share my thought in front of you all. Honorable Principal, respected Vice Principal, teachers, seniors, juniors, all my dear friends and everyone who present here today. Myself, SMV Limbu, student of grade 9, is standing here for deliver short speech on the topic of women empowerment. First of all, what is women empowerment? Women empowerment means giving women the power, freedom, opportunity to make their own decision and live with dignity. It's about ensuring equal rights for women in education, health, employment, and leadership. Women play a very important role in our society, from being mothers, daughters, sisters to becoming teachers, doctors, scientists, and leaders. Women contribute a very greatly development of the nation. However, in many parts of the world, women still face discrimination, violence, and lack of opportunity. In this a serious situation and serious issue that need our all attention. Education. Education is the most strongest tool for women. An educated woman can build a strong family, a better society, and progressive nation. Along with education, women should be given equal rights, equal opportunity of jobs, same pay and same respect. Women empowerment is not just a social idea, it is a movement toward justice, equality and human dignity. It is focused on creating new environment where women can feel safe, respected and confident to share their thoughts and talents without any limitation and without any fear. When girls and women are encouraged to talk, speak, dream and learn, they will grow into a strong individual and save society positively. True empowerment begins at home. Many of us says women still not allowed to speak, not allowed to stand for themselves and not allowed to express what they are really feeling and what they really want. Many of families is still discriminated between sons and daughters. For those people, I would like to say that there are no difference between sons and daughters. They are equal. Families who value the daughter equally help to break harmful tradition and promote equality. Empowering women does not mean by overpowering men. It means giving women the same respect, same opportunity and same equality. Respecting women is not only responsibility of government. It is also about individuals. So please respect women and respect their dreams and help them to achieve their goals. Saying that much, I would like to hand over this microphone to Sir. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you.